Now let us discuss the special powers of Rajya Sabha. So we shall discuss the special powers of Rajya Sabha. The special powers of Rajya Sabha. So while discussing the special powers of Rajya Sabha, we should keep four things in mind. One, or let us say main four articles. One is Article 249, and the other is Article 312. Article 312, and the third one is Article 67, and the next is a collection of articles, that is Articles 352, Articles 360, and Articles 356. So, while we discuss the special powers of Rajya Sabha, we should discuss four set of articles. One is Article 249, the other is Article 312, and the third is Article 67, and the fourth set of articles that range from 352, Article 356, and Article 360. So we shall discuss under special powers of Rajya Sabha four groups of articles, which is Article 249, Article 312, Article 67, and three articles under one group, Article 352, Article 356, and Article 360. So let us directly read the Constitution to understand this better. So now we shall discuss these three articles in detail. So first we shall discuss about Article 67. See, Article 67 says that the vice president may be removed from his office by a resolution of the Council of States passed by a majority of all of their members and agreed to the House of the People. But no resolution for the purpose of this clause shall be moved unless at least 14 days notice has been given to the intention to move the resolution. So, according to Article 67, it says that the removal of the vice president is authorized only by the Rajya Sabha and not by the Lok Sabha. So this can further be given to the House of People, but basically it is introduced only by the Council of States. So let us first write it down. So the first point would be that Article 67 states that Article 67, the removal of vice president shall be initiated only in the Lok Sabha. So the removal of vice president shall be initiated only in the Rajya Sabha and not in the Lok Sabha. Next, we shall discuss what is Article 249. So, according to Article 249, it says, in short, it says that power of Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in case of national interest. Notwithstanding anything in the foregoing portion of the chapter, the Council of States has declared by resolution supported by not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting that it is necessary in the national interest the Parliament can make any law with respect to any matter enumerated in the state list specified in the resolution. Okay, then it shall be binding to the Parliament to make laws for the territory of India or to the whole part, which means that Article 249 so what was Article 67? Article 67 was removal of vice president only upon introduction to the Rajya Sabha. And what was Article 249? Article 249 says that it empowers the Parliament to make laws on the state list provided there is a resolution being passed by the Rajya Sabha with 2/3 of the members present and voting. So, what are we discussing? We are discussing about special powers of Rajya Sabha. What is special powers of Rajya Sabha? We just discussed what is Article 67. Article 67 says there is a role of Vice President. Article 249 says that can be a parliament which can introduce laws which can be applicable to whole of India or to part of India in terms of national interest, integrating into the state list, which is basically not allowed in the parliament, and such an act can be introduced only when the act is given permission from the Lok Sabha by passing a resolution supporting not less than two-thirds of its members present and voting. And now let us see what is Article 232. So Article 232 further states that, Article 312 further states that the All India services, only the Council of States has declared by resolution supported by not less than 2/3 of the members present voting it is necessary to experience the national interest to do so. The Parliament can by law introduce for the creation of one or more education service in all the services, including All India Judicial Service, common to Union and states. Now, which further means that Article 312 talks about creation of new All India services. Now, how can this be created? This can be created only by a law which is passed by the Parliament, but only upon the recommendation of Rajya Sabha, which is passed by a resolution supporting not less than 2/3 of its members which are present and voting. So that is about Article 312, Article 67, Article 249. What are we discussing? We are discussing special powers of Parliament. What are special powers? 67 is removal of Vice President. Article 249 is empowering the Parliament to make a law on state list. Article 312 is basically creation of all India services. So now, what are these basic groups under Articles 352, 356 and 360? Basically, they talk about, now under Article 352, 356 and 360, it says that if the proclamation is issued by the President for imposing national emergency when the Lok Sabha is dissolved or when the Lok Sabha is not ready for the next convening, the proclamation can remain effective even if it is approved by the Rajya Sabha alone and not without the combined presence of Lok Sabha, which means the presidential proclamation of emergency shall remain effective if approved by Rajya Sabha. When, under what condition? Even when the Lok Sabha is dissolved in nature. Or in a condition where the Lok Sabha cannot convene.